Welcome to day 3 of this free 10-day electric guitar challenge with me, Andy Crowley, where we're learning our third easy song and learning one of the most fun and easy things we can play on guitar, power chords. Here's a demo of the riff. Do you recognize this one? If so, let me know in the comments below. Let me know also how this course is going for you, what challenges you're having, and let the Andy Guitar supportive community help each other out in those comments and give people the advice they need. I'll be in the comments as well, helping you out all I can. Remember, you'll get bonus content at andyguitar.co.uk. The link to that is in the description below, but let's have a look at this lesson now for day 3. This is 20th Century Boy. What a song, what a riff. There's different ways to play this one in all honesty, but the simplest way that we can play it and make it sound right at a level that's right for beginners is actually muting all 5 strings below string 6 with the index finger, which makes sure that they don't ring out, picking string 6 and then using the middle finger to hit 3, and we're going to go between 3 and 0. So getting used to doing this motion is the physical mechanics we need first, along with muting all the thinner strings, which means you can actually be super loose with the right hand because that index finger is muting our strings, and that's one of the techniques that makes playing guitar as easy as ringing a bell, just like Chuck Berry sang in the song Johnny Be Good. And it's one of those tricks that I want to pass on to you at this early stage. But let's have a look at this fantastic riff. It starts off at 0, and then it goes 0 again, 3 0, 3 0 3 0. So it just goes between those 2 notes, but it does it in a specific rhythm. Let's count that rhythm together. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you can sing it in your mind, da, 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 dun, dun, da, dun, dun, and tap it out, tap along to the song, tap along to me. Bum, 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 bum. You may find that you learn it a lot quicker and play it a lot better, and it just becomes easy. The verses of this are just on an A power chord. You can hit that and let it ring out. Friends say it's fine, friends say it's good, everybody says it's just like Robin Hood, is what the lyrics here actually say, he says. But then we play that riff again. A chord again. I move like a cat, charge like a ram, sting like a bee, and babe, I wanna be your man. And then if we play fret 5, the easiest way to do the chorus, and it's plain to see you were meant for me. That's 5 on string 6, fret 7, which is an A, and a B, and then back to E, your toy, your 20th century toy. So that is, and it's plain to see you were meant for me, and I'm your toy, your 20th century toy. If you happen to have come across a power chord yet, you can play that here. And it's plain to see you were meant for me, and I'm your toy, your 20th century toy. That's great. If not, forget about it. Just play the single notes. The single note riff is the most important thing here. Another thing you might want to add in the verses, our good old friend, a palm muted A power chord. It sounds glorious. It sounds powerful. It doesn't need loads and loads of overdrive. If I crank this overdrive up to the absolute max, like, amazing, but it stops kind of being 20th Century Boy if we add like that amount. Maybe the riff sounds cool. But I think that's, for this, a little bit excessive. Let's make it a bit 70s. Let's keep it there. And that's 5 out of 10 on the Brown sound. Let's play this from the top. You choose which version of this you're going for. Let me show you these options just here. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Two more times. A chord. Friends say it's fine, friends say it's good. Everybody says it's just like Robin Hood. I move like a cat, palm muted power chord, sting like a bee, and babe, I'm gonna be your man. And it's plain to see you were made for me, and I'm your toy, your 20th century boy. The whole thing just keeps going then. His friends say it's fine, friends say it's good. A power chord, let's palm mute it. 1, 2, 3. Friends say it's fine, friends say it's good. Everybody says it's just like Robin Hood. I fly like a plane, drive like a car, bowl like a hound, and babe, I wanna be your man. And it's plain to see you were made for me, and I'm your toy, your 20th century boy, 20th century toy. No chord for all that section, so we'll pause there because that is already plenty of material to be learning. That's the end of day 3. Thank you so much for watching. Here's a link to day 4 where we'll be looking at another absolutely classic and easy song, moving a string down this time to make it a little bit more challenging. And if you need more help, check out the website andyguitar.co.uk for more bonus videos from this course, but also a full comprehensive beginner's course exclusively for electric guitar with practice routines, song tutorials, jam tracks, everything you need to get the help you need learning guitar. I'll leave a link to that just here. I hope to see you over there, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.